In Azure, a resource group is a container that helps you organize and manage related resources like virtual machines, databases, and storage in one place. It makes it easier to handle everything together, so you can deploy, update, or delete them as a group. Resource groups also help you track costs and control who can access and manage the resources. While the group has a region, the resources inside can be in different locations. It's a simple way to keep your Azure resources organized and managed efficiently. We'll explore how they simplify deployment, updates, and deletion of resources, making your cloud management more efficient. Azure Resource Groups act as containers for related resources, like virtual machines, databases, and storage. This organization allows you to handle everything together, streamlining process, and ensuring that your resources are easily accessible and manageable. One of the key benefits of using Resource is cost tracking. By grouping resources, you can monitor expenses more effectively, helping your organization stay within budget and allocate resources where they are most needed. Resource groups also enhance security by controlling access to resources. You can define who has permission to manage or access specific resources, ensuring that sensitive data and operations are protected from unauthorized users. To create and delete a resource group using the Azure portal, first, sign into the portal and navigate to Resource Groups from the sidebar. Click on Create, then enter a unique name for the resource group, select your subscription, and choose a region. Once you've reviewed the details, click Create to finalize it. To delete a resource group, return to the Resource Groups section, select the one you want to remove, click Delete, confirm by typing the resource group name, and click Delete again to permanently remove it. Although a resource group has a designated region, the resources within it can be located in different regions. This flexibility allows you to optimize performance and availability based on your specific needs and geographic considerations. Managing resources as a group simplifies updates and maintenance. You can deploy changes across all resources within a group simultaneously, reducing the time and effort required to keep your cloud infrastructure up to date. Resource groups are not just about organization, they also facilitate automation. By using templates and scripts, you can automate the deployment and management of resources, increasing efficiency and reducing the potential for human error. In conclusion, Azure Resource Groups are an essential tool for any organization using cloud services. They provide a structured way to manage resources, track costs, enhance security, and automate processes, making cloud management more streamlined and effective.